Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In today's video, we are doing a nail technician practice test number 6. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. This will be a 20 question and answer practice test going over some infection control, nail product chemistry, manicuring, pedicuring, nail tips and forms, electric filing, and nail resin. Along with that, we are also going to be reviewing some TDLR, Texas laws, rules, and regulation information over health and safety standards, manicuring and pedicuring services, health and safety standards with electric drill bits, and health and safety standards for foot spas, foot basins, and spa liners. So please stay tuned. I hope you find all of this information helpful. If you are not in the state of Texas and using this video to help you study, just be sure that you are going over your state's laws, rules, and regulations. If you are indeed asked any questions about your specific state, be sure to check that out. With that being said, you guys, let's get started. Good luck on your test. Number 1, it can be accurately said that pathogenic bacteria blank. A. Help the body break down food. B. Keep the body healthy. C. Cause disease or infection. D. Positively stimulate the immune system. The answer is C. Cause disease or infection. Number 2. Blank is mostly used to remove visible dirt. A. Sterilization. B. Cleaning. C. Sanitation. D. Disinfection. The answer is B. Cleaning. Number 3. Quat solution usually take blank to disinfect implements. A. 5 seconds. B. 1 hour. C. 30 minutes. D. 10 minutes. The answer is D. 10 minutes. Number 4. Which of these substances improve adhesion? Is it A. Primers, B. Adhesives, C. Wraps, D. Monomers? The answer is A. Primers. Number 5, what is the best tool to help you understand how to safely use and handle your products? Is it A. FDA reports, B. OSHA reports, C. Manufacturers SDS, D. Advice from friends? The answer is C. Manufacturers SDS. Number 6, which type of massage movements involved a succession of strokes by gliding the hands over an area of the body with varying degrees of pressure or contact? Is it A. Effleurage, B. Vibration, C. Petrissage, D. Tapotement? The answer is A. Effleurage. Number 7, the warmth from the blank aids in the penetration of conditioning ingredients of a foot mask. A. Your hands. B. Exothermic products. C. Electric foot mitts. D. The paraffin heater. The answer is C. Electric foot mitts. Number 8, implements for manicures and pedicures must be A. Wooden, B. Brass, C. Nickel plated, D. Stainless steel. The answer is D. Stainless steel. Number 9, the speed of an electric file is defined in A. Revolutions per minute, B. Revolutions per second, C. Kilometers per hour, D. miles per hour? The answer is A, revolutions per minute. Number 10. Blank is measured by the number of abrasive particles per square inch. A. RPM. B. Tolerance. C. Grit. D. Speed. The answer is C. Grit. Number 11. Grooves carved into a client's nail by filing with bits at the incorrect angle are known as A. Nail grooves. B. Rings of fire. C. Bullets. D. Mandrels. The answer is B. Rings of fire. Number 12. When aging nail enhancements become brittle and develop tiny cracks, it is called A. Rings of fire. B. Micro trauma. C. Torquing. D. Micro shattering. The answer is D. Micro shattering. Number 13. When removing a nail tip after soaking it in acetone, it is recommended that you use blank to slide the tip off the nail. A. A buffer. B. A cotton swab. C. A pusher. D. Tweezers. The answer is C. A pusher. Number 14. Where are nail extensions most likely to break? A. Stress area. B. Apex. C. Side wall. D. Underside. The answer is A. Stress area. Number 15. When applying the resin, remember to keep the resin off A. The nail plate. B. The skin. C. The nail crack. D. The fabric wrap. The answer is B. The skin. Number 16. What is the most popular type of nail wrap? A. Ceramic. B. Fabric. C. Paper. D. Plastic. The answer is B. Fabric. Number 17. The purpose of a rebalance is to ensure the nail's strength, shape, and A. Durability. B. Length. C. Enhance the color. D. Flexibility. The answer is A. Durability. Number 18. It is recommended that you use a blank buffer to finish filing, refining, and buffing. A. Medium to coarse grit. B. Fine grit. C. Medium grit. D. Coarse grit. The answer is B. Fine grit. Number 19. Which type of nail primer is used often in salons? A. Alkaline. B. Acid balanced. C. Acid free. D. All natural. The answer is C. Acid free. Number 20. The amount of monomer liquid and polymer powder used to create a bead is called the A. Mix ratio. B. Combination equation. C. Rebalance. D. Chain reaction. The answer is A. Mix ratio. The following information is over health and safety standards, manicure and pedicure services. Information is from the Texas TDLR Law Rule Book. A. Practitioner must clean their hands with soap and water or a hand sanitizer prior to performing any service. B. Practitioners must clean the areas of their client's body on which the service is to be administered. C. All metal manicure and pedicure tools must be properly cleaned, disinfected, and sterilized or sanitized prior to each service in accordance with this chapter, regardless of the tool's multi-use for only a single client or for multiple clients. D. After each client, the following implements must be cleaned, disinfected, and sterilized or sanitized in accordance with this rule: metal pushers and files, cuticle nipper and scissors, metal tweezers, finger and toenail clippers, and electric drill bits. E. The following implements are single-use items and must be discarded after use: orange wood sticks, cotton balls, nail wipes, and disposable towels. F. Buffer blocks, porous nail files, pedicure files, callus rasp, natural pumice, and foot brushes, arbor, sanding bands, sleeves, heel and toe pumice, exfoliating block, must be cleaned by manually brushing or other adequate methods to remove all visible debris after each use, and then sprayed with an EPA registered bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal disinfectant or a high-level disinfectant chlorine bleach solution in accordance with this chapter. If a buffer block or porous nail file is exposed to broken skin, that would be skin that is not intact, or unhealthy skin or nails, it must be discarded immediately after use in a trash receptacle. G. The following materials that are used during a manicure and pedicure must be replaced with a new or clean article for each client: terry cloth towels, finger bowls and spatulas that contact skin or skin products from multi-use containers. You guys, do not ignore this information. It is extremely important that you are aware of all of this. Next section, health and safety standards, electric drill bits. A. Only electric files, drills, or machines specifically designed and manufactured for use in the profession of nail industry may be used in any establishment or school for performing manicure or pedicure services. Craft, hardware, and hobby tools cannot be used under any circumstances. B. After each use, diamond, carbide, natural, and metal bits must be cleaned by either 1. Using a brush, or 2. Using an ultrasonic cleaner, or 3. Immersing the bit in acetone for 5 to 10 minutes. C. Immediately after cleaning all visible debris, diamond, carbide, natural, and metal bits must be disinfected by complete immersion in an appropriate disinfectant between clients and then sterilized in accordance with this chapter. D. Buffing bits and camis must be cleaned with soap and water at the end of every day of use, in addition to being cleaned or replaced between clients. Next, health and safety standards, foot spas, foot basins, and spa liners. A. As used in this section, whirlpool foot spas, or spa, is defined as any basin using circulating water, either in a self-contained unit or in a unit that is connected to other plumbing in the establishment or school. B. After use upon each client, each whirlpool foot spa must be cleaned and disinfected in the following sequential manner. 1. All water must be drained and all debris shall be removed from the spa basin. 2. The spa basin must be cleaned with soap or detergent and water. 3. The spa basin must be disinfected with an EPA registered disinfectant with demonstrated bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activity, which must be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. 4. The spa basin must be wiped dry with a clean towel. C. At the end of each day, each whirlpool foot spa must be cleaned and disinfected in the following sequential manner. 1. The screen and any other removable parts must be removed. All debris trapped behind the screen must be removed, and the screen and the inlet and any other removable parts must be washed with soap and water or detergent and water. Let's continue. 2. Before replacing the screen, one of the following procedures must be performed. A. The screen and any other removable part must be washed with a high-level disinfection chlorine bleach solution, or B. The screen and any other removable part must be totally immersed in an EPA-registered disinfectant with demonstrated bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activity, which must be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. 3. The spa system must be flushed with soap and warm water for at least 10 minutes, after which the spa must be rinsed and drained. D. Every other week, bi-weekly, after cleaning and disinfecting as provided in this subsection, each whirlpool foot spa must be cleaned and disinfected in the following sequential manner. 1. The spa basin must be filled completely with the high-level disinfection chlorine bleach solution. 2. The spa system must be flushed for 5 to 10 minutes with a high-level disinfection chlorine bleach solution and water solution or an EPA-registered disinfectant with demonstrated bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activity, which must be used according to the manufacturer's instructions and allowed to sit for 6 to 10 hours. Number 3, the spa system must be drained and flushed with water before use upon a client. Let's continue. E. For whirlpool foot spas, a record must be made on a department-approved form of the date and time of each cleaning and disinfecting, indicating whether the cleaning was a daily or bi-weekly cleaning. This record must be made at or near the time of cleaning and disinfecting and must indicate if a spa was not used during any individual workday. F. As used in this section, non-whirlpool foot basin or foot basins is defined as any basin, tub, foot bath, sink, or bowl that holds non-circulating water. After use upon each client, each non-whirlpool foot basin must be cleaned and disinfected in the following sequential manner. 1. All water must be drained and all debris must be removed from the foot basin. 2. The inside surfaces of the foot basin must be scrubbed and cleaned of all visible residue with a clean brush, soap or detergent, and water. 3. The foot basin must be disinfected with an EPA-registered disinfectant with demonstrated bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activity, which must be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. Number 4, the foot basin must be rinsed, emptied, and wiped dry with a clean towel. Now, you guys, I know it's starting to become a little repetitive, but that is okay. It is making sure that you understand and you know how to properly disinfect everything that you will be using. Let's continue. In this section, it is talking about spa liners. G. For non-whirlpool foot basins, a record must be made on a department-approved form of the date and time of each cleaning and disinfecting. The record must be made at or near the time of the cleaning and disinfecting and must indicate if the foot basin was not used during any individual workday. H. As used in this section, disposable spa liner or spa liner is defined as a plastic liner designed to be placed within a whirlpool foot spa and discarded after a single use, in which it is equipped with a single non-adhesive heat-sealed drain tab, which when pulled allows water to empty directly into a whirlpool foot spa drain. As used in this section, portable whirlpool jet or jet is defined as a magnetic or other circulating device designed to be placed within a whirlpool foot spa basin in order to circulate water in spa in which disposable spa liners are used. J. Disposable spa liners and portable whirlpool jets may be used in providing spa services to clients. When used, the following sequential procedures must be performed. 1. After use upon a client, the heat-sealed tab must be pulled, allowing the water to empty directly into the establishment or school's plumbing system. 2. The spa liner must be discarded in a covered trash receptacle. 3. The portable whirlpool jet must be completely immersed for 5 to 10 minutes in an EPA-registered disinfectant with demonstrated bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activity, which must be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. We know that, don't we? Number 4, the jet must be rinsed with warm water and drained. 5. All surfaces of the spa basin and foot rest must be wiped with EPA-registered disinfectant wipes. Let's continue. K. For disposable spa liners and whirlpool jets, a record must be made on a department-approved form indicating the time and date when the spa liner was used and discarded, and when the jet was used and disinfected, and must indicate if the jet was also not used during a work day. L. Cleaning and disinfecting records for foot spas, foot basins, spa liners, and jets must be made available upon request by either a client or a department representative and must be retained for inspection for at least 60 days. M. A foot spa, foot basin, or jet for which documentation is not maintained in accordance with this section must be removed from service and not used again until it has been cleaned and disinfected in accordance with the requirements of this section and the records have been properly updated. When a foot spa, foot basin, or jet is removed from service for any reason, the record must indicate the date of removal from service. N. Foot spa and foot basin chairs must be cleaned and disinfected after service is provided for each client. The chair must be made of or covered in a non-porous material that can be disinfected. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. I hope you guys are finding all of this information helpful and it's making you feel a little bit more comfortable on taking on that state written exam. I want to wish you guys the best of luck. Keep studying. Don't forget to go over your textbook. That is extremely important. It is important that you are reading, that you're understanding. So therefore, it will not matter how they ask you the question. You will always know the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to send this information to any nail bestie out there that you have and send them over to review with you. Thank you again. And you guys, let's keep going. Let's keep growing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.